Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through these two social media management platform, which is Buffer. Then the other social media platform is called Sendible. So they are both social media platform that helps you manage your social media account with a wide range of tools which going to make your social media more profitable and more monetized for you in 2025. So let's get started with this first website, which is called Buffer. Buffer is like a trusty sidekick for handling of all things on social media. So thinking of scheduling posts, keeping an eye on your content doings, and even chatting your followers, all from one handy spot. Buffer helps you achieve that. It comes with a wide range of tools that help you with all of these important tools like that. And also, here are some key benefit things you need to know about this website called Buffer Social Management website. You provide about 2,000 posts per plan. And also, they track 25 plus social media channel and also analyze your results for you. You get insight into your what's working on what is posted on your social media, and you get access to the report or the analyzed results in one. And also, you also get an accurate pricing for this website. For you to get that, let's access their pricing review from their website. They also offer a free plan as well, but their free plan has a limited features which might not be good enough for you to carry out your tax. So here's the pricing list for here's a flexible price for everyone using Buffer social media management. For example, now you are free for this, which is free forever. You can connect up to 3 channels. Then from here, you get access to 10 scheduled posts per channel. You film anytime. You also get access to 100 ideas. You also get access to 1 user account, AI assistance, basic analytics, and you also get access to world-class customer support, which makes it more okay for you. Then also you get this plan as well, which is the second plan, which is recommended for all users. Get the recommended plan, which is also essential. Get 1 channel with 60 other bills yearly with save 2 months. Then also get this, which is unlimited schedule post for channel, unlimited ideas, 1 user account, AI assistance, advanced analysis, engagement inbox, hashtag manager, and also you also get access to first comment scheduling and world-class customer support, which is kind of different from the free version, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tools, which makes it different. Then we have the other one, which is 14. Then you pay nothing less than $10 per month with 1 channel and about 120 bills per year. 120 bills yearly. Then you also gain access to some free tools like unlimited scheduling posts per channel. So you have access again, you can simply add more channels to this social media management platform. Then you also get unlimited ideas, unlimited user account, AI assistance, advanced analytics, engagement inbox, which makes your works super cool. Then you get access to hashtag managers, which gives you a cool hashtag. Then you also get access to first comment scheduling, then access level, content approval, workflow, world-class customers, which makes it more super easy for you. And this is just for a year plan. If you want a monthly plan, here's a monthly plan, and this is what you pay. And for the recommended plan, you pay $6 per month. Then for the monthly as well, you pay $12 per month, which makes it easier. If you want a monthly payment, mean you want to resubscribe every single at the end of every month. This is how it goes. You pay 6 for the essential plan, then also get for the team you pay 12, which is 6 to 12. So you're just only $6 different. The recommended, pay 12 for the team, then you pay 6. It's just a $6 different, which makes it more easier for you. I'm talking about the channel. For this website, you have access to all these web channels and channels that is all connected. You have the Blue Sky, the Facebook, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, Mastodon, and Pinterest, Thread, TikTok, YouTube, and a lot more like that. So let's check about the features. Here are the cool features that stand to gain on this website. First thing is to create. You can build your own library of content ideas. You get access to analyze, which measure your performance and your insights into growth. Then you have access to collaboration from this website. Then you also get this, which is the schedule, engage, and the start page, which help you build a custom link for bio page in minutes, which is super cool. You're gonna like this website, so you can just simply try it out. You're gonna like it. But let's get back to the other platform, which is Sendible. It's also one of the most highly reputable social media platform at the scale. So let's get started. What's Sendible? Sendible is a social media platform which allows you to put your social media command into Central. It helps you schedule posts, track what people are saying about your brand, and even work together with your teams in all places. You have nothing to worry about this platform, this website rather. It's Sendible. Here are the key features about this website. First thing is the dashboard. You have a very intuitive dashboard which helps you discover the key to functionalities, gain access to social media scheduling, which publish and schedule your content in advance. So get this to content management, easily manage your social media content, just help you. Then you also have access to analytics and reports, which gain a dynamic insight from your social media data. Then the team collaboration, the white label, which help you build trust with client and generate more reviews about your platform. Then you have this top cool features. This is cool. This is core features. We call it core. All the features under this we could refer to as core features. Now talking about the top features, you get access to smart compose inbox. You also get this, which is priority inbox, then bulk import, then get custom hashtag for bulk content, customization. You get this, which is UTM tracking, monitor and analyze post performance effectively. You also get this, which is content library, end content management trails with a content library. So you also get access to it as assistance to help you generate and optimize your social media caption. So you get access to campaign management, which say organize and plan ahead with a campaign, a client connect, which also onboard your clients securely with client connect. You also get this, which is the optimal time, which helps you reach your audience easily by just scheduling ads and optimal time. Which another next thing then is the smart queues, which help you maintain your consistency with your own smart queues, and also get access to automated report, which is super cool.